Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. Today is September 1st, 2021. Let us begin with the important articles that you have to read for all competitive exams. Now, the first article is UNSC resolution addresses key concerns on Afghanistan, India. This is in regards to India's end of presidency of UNSC. Second thing, how during its presidency for the period of August, how situation in Afghanistan had changed, and what kind of resolutions were brought in regards to Afghanistan under the leadership of India. Do read this article. Important to give a conclusion in a mains answer if asked, so try to read it from that point of view. Now, the most important article for today is NY meets Taliban leader. So, officially, an Indian government official met the political leadership of Taliban in Qatar. This article you have to read because this is a significant step towards India's policy in Afghanistan, or this is the first steps in that direction. So, we have to concentrate so that we have understanding from the get go. Now, moving on to the next article, we have the NSO report, which talks about economy's growth. Economy grows 20.1 in Q1, lags pre-pandemic level. This is important to understand how our economy is doing. Is it recovering? Are there any issues? Mind you, when you read these kinds of articles, data is not that important. Being aware of it is important. There might be two parameters like the GDP or the GVA which are important. Apart from that, don't concentrate much on those data. Now moving on to the next article, triple delight for India Tokyo Paralympics. As I said, these kinds of questions are important for state service level examinations. The name of the person, the medal they have won, the event that they have won in. So that is why I kind of highlighted it. Now moving on to the next, India reaches new milestone with over 1.9 crore jabs in a day. This is again India's ability to vaccinate its people in a successful way. This is a welcome sign. The more vaccinated the people are in our country, the better it is for our country and our economy. Above all, it is better for our health also. Now moving on to the next page. Page number 4, Northeast. The article that you have to read is IIT MIT to develop portable sensors. This is again a technology, science and technology related article. Please do read what kind of a device they are talking about. Since MIT is an international university, IIT is also an international standard university. That is why it's kind of an important to note what kind of technology they are working on and to whom it is useful for. Now coming to the editorial page, Pyrrhic victory. This is in regards to how things in Afghanistan are being celebrated in Pakistan and how bad it would be for Pakistan if things change, which they are going to. This article is from that perspective. Please do read, understand what they are talking about here, and you will understand when you read this article. Now moving on to the next article, making out a case for propping up the middle class. Now this talks about the importance of middle class, how it will aid in economic recovery, why we should support middle class, and this talks about a specific thing called econs and humans, that is the short for economicus. If you don't read the article also, please do read that word and please do kind of remember what it is, what is its definition. It is significant. Okay, this article is a little bit significant. Please do read. Data might not be useful, but the idea is kind of useful to answer why India needs a proper and a comprehensive economic recovery plan to come out of pandemic. Now moving on to op-ed, it's time to build BRICS better. This talks about the BRICS grouping, the current problems, how it needs reforms to address the emerging challenges. Please do read it from that perspective. Now moving on to the next, making the Paralympics count. This is in regards to how India needs to address this gap in how it treats its athletes and para athletes. So why we need to concentrate on Paralympics also, and not only that, how we need to address this gap so that they both have equal opportunities. So disability shouldn't be something that differs one from the other. It should be a ground for equity, not for discrimination. From that perspective, please do read this article. Now, this is not a significant article. A question might not be asked, but what they are talking about is a community centered management plan, right? An environmental friendly, community based management plan. So, this might be used as a example or a case in point to be shared or to be shared as an example in any scenario. Please do read it from that perspective. Now moving on to the next page, that is news. News. 2 years since NRC draft, lags still in limbo. This talks about the problems with NRC and implementation of CAA and NRC. Please do read it from that perspective. Now moving on, disciplined lawmakers, says Venkaya. This is again the problem with elected representatives behaving in a different way in the House of Parliament. Please do read what they are talking about. What is this Mission 5000? Prelims perspective, little bit significant. Please do talk about Mission 5000. Okay, read about. Sorry. Now moving on to page number 9, Indian envoy in Doha meets Taliban leader. This is significant step towards India's policy in Afghanistan. Please do read this article from that perspective. So, but there are other members also. There is a lot of worry that they are going to use Taliban as an leverage against other countries. Please do read it from that perspective. Now, moving on, in a first, 9 SC judges take oath in one stroke. This is again, you have to use this article to revise the collegium process. And this oath taking ceremony will lead to a point in time where India will have its first woman CJI. Apart from that, not important. Now moving on to the next article, IMD forecast foiled by 24% rain shortfall. This is again the shortfall in rains. You have to read it, the impact it is going to have on our agriculture and other ecosystems. Now this is page number 10, news. Now moving on to the next article, school staff to get first jab before September 30. This is again vaccination policy. Read what they are saying here. What you need to read here is why teachers and school staff need to be given jab first before anybody else. From that perspective, read, you will understand the policy. Apart from that, not important for exams. Okay. Now moving on to world, page number 11. After US exit, Taliban celebrate victory. Again, anything with Afghanistan, read it for awareness. Exam point of view, not that significant until unless you find some data that you might have to point out as an example. Now moving on to the next article, China opens first road rail transport link to Indian Ocean. This is a significant step. Map pointing wise important, and also the cities that it covers or the countries that it travels through is important. This is a significant step in that direction. This is again in a way to undercut India's own infrastructure plans in the region. Please do read it from that perspective. Now, US drone strike wiped out family, says brother. This is important. How American drone strikes have been having a negative impact on lives of the people where they carry out. Exam point of view, not important. Please do read it just to have an understanding of what these kinds of things tend to have in the end. Now moving on to 12, business. Core sector logs 9.4% growth. Remember, percentage is not important. Read what are the factors that allowed these kinds of growth rates. Now moving on, overseas settlement of GSEC deals on annual. I already told you on multiple occasions, read about GSECs. Possible prelims question, please do read about GSECs. Now moving on, fiscal deficit touches 21.3% of the target. This is again why just informative. Being aware of how our fiscal deficit is doing is also significant to give a proper answer as to economic recovery is related. Apart from that, not important. Moving on to the next article, bank credit to non-food sectors grew 6.2% in July. Again, informative, just for your understanding. Be aware what the parameters they are talking about. Apart from that, not at all. Don't worry about the numbers. Numbers are, see, these numbers come on a monthly basis, so it is hard to remember all of them. So don't worry about them. Now these are the important articles that you have to read in the Hindu newspaper today. Please do. Hope this has been useful to you. Thank you. Stay safe. Namaste.